It's right here. But what we're going to do, you're going to click on Create New Study, and then it's going to bring this screen up. We got to fill in the patient ID, name, first name, last name. You're going to click male or female, and then we need a date of birth. So for example, for myself, we need the patient ID. It'll be on the file. Justin or Cassie or Candace can help out. But we're going to go patient ID, SW1, that's what mine is. And then see, it already fills in, but then I would go and type in Jeffrey, and then Keffler, male, and then date of birth. And then that's all you do, and then you click down here on the where it says acquire. So right here where it says acquire, click there, and it brings us to this screen. We've got these green lights up here. The green lights up here means the battery's turned on and it's connected. So we're good to go there. You're going to pick on the left what we're taking. So cervical A to P, right? So then we're ready. And this is lit up green, the acquire here. That means we're ready. Then we need to go to the console here. It's this third one here, so not the small, medium, large, extra large, it's the large one. Push that button, it'll light up and it'll bring up the main part. If we're doing a cervical, you're going to go into upper trunk, cervical AP, and then I always bump up the KVP 3 to 5. You can do that on the left here. So now this is set and the computer's set. On the computer, we're going to click on the green acquire. And then it's going to bring this screen up, and it says ready for exposure. You've got 30 seconds to take the picture. You're going to hold down the green, step back here, and then when it's light green, push the exposure, it takes it, and then it's going to send the picture over. And I don't have this is an example, I don't have the cassette in fully properly, so it may or may not come up on the picture. I didn't check that part, but you just position it accordingly. And there you can see the lines, and there's the right marker. And then I always go and flip it horizontally, so the right side's on the right. You got the picture, it looks good, and then you're going to hit the green check mark. That means you're accepting it. And then you go over here and say, now we'll take a lateral. And so cervical, we'll change it to lateral. And we'll go into the computer. If you just hit the cervical AP, hit this one again, it'll back out. And we can go to cervical lateral. Same thing, bump up the KVP a couple, and then we're good to go again. So we would hit the acquire, and then go through the process. Then when we want to go to lumbar, what you have to hit is you have to hit this one again to go out of the main screen, and then back into the main screen, lower trunk, and then up here is lumbar A to P. And then we can get to the setup techniques for lumbar A to P. And so that's just working this screen. The same button that gets you into it backs you out of it. And then if you're not sure where to go, just hit this one, turn it all off. Not the whole program, but turn all the menus off and go back into the basic main menu. And usually upper trunk has cervical and thoracic, lower trunk has lumbar here. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. And then when you're all done and everything's got a green check and you want to save it, just hit the exit button, it'll exit out, and the pictures are there. And if we need to show the pictures, Justin's got the computer in the therapy area. He can show you how to bring up the individual pictures if we need to look at individual pictures. Alright, so if there's any questions about that, Justin should be able to help out. If not, I will be available. Just give me a call. Friday morning, we'll just be hanging out. Monday, we'll be driving. So if there's any questions, call. I'll be in the car driving. I can talk and help through it. So thanks a lot, John. I appreciate your help, buddy.